Daisy learns the importance of cleaning. In a sunny little village lived a cheerful duckling named Daisy. Daisy loved to splash in puddles and play outside all day. But Daisy had one habit. She never liked to clean up. Her room was messy, her feathers were dusty, and she often forgot to wash her tiny wings before meals. Every morning, Mama Duck would say,
"Cleanliness keeps us healthy and happy, Daisy."
But Daisy would giggle and reply,
"I'll do it later."
One afternoon, Daisy invited her friends to play, but when they entered her room, they saw toys everywhere, sticky crumbs on the floor, and muddy footprints on the bed.
"Oh dear, there's nowhere to sit,"
said Bunny softly. Soon, Daisy noticed something worse. Her favorite red ribbon was missing beneath the clutter. She searched high and low, but could not find it anywhere. Daisy sat sadly by the window. Just then, wise Grandma Goose stopped by carrying a basket of fresh flowers.
"What troubles you, little duck?"
"I can't find my ribbon."
Daisy sighed.
"Everything is such a mess."
When we keep things clean and tidy, it becomes easier to care for our treasures and ourselves.
So Daisy began cleaning little by little. She picked up her toys, swept the floor, washed her feathers, and folded her blankets neatly. At last, under a small pile of books, she found her red ribbon. From that day on, Daisy cleaned her room each evening and washed up before bedtime. Her home felt brighter, her feathers felt softer, and her heart felt peaceful. And every night, Daisy fell asleep happily in her cozy, clean room. Moral lesson: cleanliness keeps us healthy, organized, and happy. Follow and subscribe for more children's stories.